Hello, Gleek.io fans. This video will show you how to use the Gleek app with Confluence. Open up Confluence. Select Apps from the menu and choose the option Find New Apps. Type Gleek Diagram Maker into the search field and select the Gleek app. Click on the Get App button and add the Gleek Diagram Maker to your Confluence. You will see a pop-up telling you about adding the app to Confluence, so just confirm that you want to do this by clicking Get It Now. Sweet! The Gleek Diagram Maker was added into your Confluence. Now, we'll show you how you can play with it. Open your Confluence space and create a new page. Now you have two ways to add a diagram on your page. Hit the slash key and type Gleek. You'll see a drop-down where you can select Gleek. Or click on the plus sign in the top right corner and type Gleek. Either method will take you to the Gleek app. Once the Gleek app is opened, you can create a range of diagrams including flowcharts, entity relationship diagrams, class or sequence diagrams. Let's start by using a diagram based on a Gleek template, so simply hit the slash key and choose a template. Great! You can insert the default diagram as it is into your Confluence page, or change it using the Syntax Help Guide in the bottom left corner to get tips on how to use Gleek. Click on the Save button and Gleek will go to work. Your diagram will be embedded into your Confluence page. Finally, click on the Publish button. Well done! You just published your first diagram on a Confluence page. A diagram image is often worth thousands of words, so you can use Gleek diagrams to make life easier for your colleagues and avoid spending hours of your time explaining your ideas. Happy diagramming!